Alright YouTube, so in this video I'm going to do a bus test of my new 500 watt mono amplifier, which you have seen before the unboxing and the sound test video. But in that sound test video the sound was not so loud because I was testing that at the middle of the night because I was eager to check if the kit is okay or not. So today I'm going to do the bus test again, and today is gonna be pretty loud and I hope you're gonna like it. So this is the amplifier, the cabinet you have seen before. The kit was outside, and after testing that I put the kit inside. Well, I didn't shoot that because this is just a temporary thing. I'm gonna buy a new cabinet, a power amplifier cabinet, and then I'm gonna install that, and then I'll make that video in detail. But this one is connected to this Yamaha amplifier, and now let me set the level a bit higher. Okay, bus on. Now let me turn this on. I can see the volume level right here. Okay, now let's play some music. Alright, now this is at a 5.1 mode. You can see I'm gonna put it to straight, and you can see that it's becoming 2.1, 2 channels and the subwoofer. Now I'm gonna play again. Also, let me show you that this Yamaha is connected to this Pioneer subwoofer, which is turned off now. So only this subwoofer is on, which is connected to this amplifier, which I am testing now. But this is a 500 watt high power amplifier, and that is a 12-inch Sony Explode subwoofer, which is not a good match for this amplifier. This amplifier needs bigger subwoofer, or bigger powered subwoofer. That's a 300 watt subwoofer. But as that is a Sony Explode and with the 2-inch high temperature bearing voice coil, that's why it can take it and making it pretty decent bass, and I can say pretty loud also. So let's hear it again. So that's it, guys. That's all for today. Hope you like the video, and hope you are able to understand the base of that new kit. And this is a pretty good one, and the link is in the description below if you want to buy it. It's from Amazon. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.